Hello there, my insurance friends. I would like to believe that most of us appreciate the benefits that technology has brought to our daily lives, as well as how it has improved the way we do business for the better. But recent advancements have raised some questions within the broker community. And one of these questions is, will technology replace the broker anytime soon? Well, in this video, I will try and give you an answer to this question. Let us start by talking about the difference between insurance and other products that drive technology such as e-commerce. If you look at consumer goods such as food, clothes, and electronics that you would usually buy on Amazon as an example, you will realize that people buy these services or goods because they are basic necessities or for luxurious reasons. But when it comes to insurance, that is not the case. Insurance is usually purchased because of some requirement such as a government act or from lessons learned from set circumstances. It is not something that someone wakes up and says, "Oh, I'm going to buy insurance today," like they would do when they want to restock bread in their house. Now let's put this into context. If you would like to purchase a product such as a laptop on a platform like Amazon, it's as easy as clicking one or two buttons. Even buying a car on Auto Trader is simple. People in Africa purchase cars from Japan on websites such as BFord, and they get shipped to their nearest border post or to their house depending on which option they choose. But when it comes to purchasing insurance, it's not as easy. Even buying insurance for something like a car. This requires the customer to be able to answer quite a number of questions, and they might not have these answers right away. So imagine how complicated it is even to buy coverage for a product like a farm or business combined. That would terrify the customer, and they would just leave the application online without completing it. So this requires the customer to have someone with knowledge of insurance to guide them on how to cover the types of risks that they might have, depending on what they are trying to purchase. Because of that, personally, I do not think that technology is going to be a perfect substitute for the advisory component that brokers have been delivering to consumers for the past couple of decades. On the other hand, we also have demographics at play. People who normally buy insurance require human interaction in order to trust that the coverage that they are purchasing is the appropriate one. As a result, I see brokers being a critical component of the insurance distribution channel for the foreseeable future. So, I think that we should be focusing on technology that does not try to replace the broker. Instead, technology that will help brokers be able to deliver services that customers expect, and at the same time helps them to grow their gross premium return as well as their commission earned. For this to work, brokerages and carriers must select a technology partner that helps them drive operational excellence. This is my take on this topic at the moment. If you have any comments, I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So please let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.